Fy enw I Cizzy Crawford a dwi yma heddi yn perfformio yn Canolfan y Millennium. Dwi wastad yn caru perfformio fan hyn oherwydd mae wastad teimlo da ar Llwyfan a mae'r acoustics just yn lush.
Well, we've been coming down here for years.
It's a lovely place to come. The whole atmosphere down here is first class.
Every time we come, there's something different. It's like home from home now.
The performances that I've seen have been like really high class. The crowd here is always really warm. One of the main things is people come away with a good feeling. They go and they say, oh, that was good, I'll come back next week.
Tremendous reaction from audiences here. There's been lots of people dancing, jiving all around the room. There's not just people of the older age group coming to see the shows. They are younger people who probably never listened to our type of music.
Roedd llawer o plant yna yn dawnsio. Oedd yn gret gweld pawb yn gwenu, pobl o bob oedran, oedd pobl hen, pobl ifanc. Oedd yn really great.
Dwi'n meddwl mae fe'n rhoi cyfle gwych I unrhyw artist I perfformio I gynulleidfa newydd ac wrth gwrs I gynulleidfa I weld cerddoriaeth newydd.
If you've never been before, you'll see something you've never seen before.
I advise anybody who haven't been to come and visit it.